Today, we're going to learn how to create AI plant trimming videos. So let's jump right into the tutorial. First, we're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. Then we'll send it over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for us. All we have to do is choose the one we like best, send the idea number back to ChatGPT, and it will automatically generate everything we need for the video. Now it's time to create the video. Head over to the Google Flow website. Click on New Project, then click here and select Image 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. After that, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Scene 1 Image Prompt. Then return to Flow, paste the prompt, and hit Send. Once the image has finished generating, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 1 Prompt. Next, return to Flow and click here. Select Video, Frames 9:16, OmniFlash 8 seconds, and X1. Click on the generated image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. After the first video finishes generating, go to the last frame of the video and click Save Frame. This will create the starting image for the next scene. Now, go back to ChatGPT one more time and click Copy to Video 2 Prompt. Return to Flow, click on the saved image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. Then simply wait for the generation to finish, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!